Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create group in Messenger. So first thing is open the Messenger application on your phone device. So once you open the Messenger application, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the pen icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap that. And there you will have the option to create a new group chat. Just tap that. Now all you need to do is add the number of people that you want to add on this group. Just tap them and all the people will be added in the group. Then tap on next. Now you need to provide your group chat name. Type in the group name. I'm just gonna go with the option group. Then tap on create, and with that you have created yourself a group chat on Messenger. So this is a simple way how to create a group in Messenger. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.